Hi everyone! Have you ever tried adding numbers from 1 to 100? It seems tiring, right? But what if I told you there's a simple formula that gives you the answer instantly? Today, we're going to explore a beautiful pattern in mathematics, the sum of the first n or natural numbers, and I'll show you where the formula comes from. The formula for the sum of the first n or natural numbers, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ellipsis plus n is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2 or divided by 2. But instead of just memorizing it, let's discover where it comes from again. Let's say we want to add all numbers from 1 to n. We can write it like this. S is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ellipsis plus n. Here, S stands for total sum. And n here is the last number we're adding or how many times we have. If n is equal to 5, then the sum is equal to sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. If we have n is equal to 100, adding manually would take forever. So how can we make it easier? This trick comes from the famous mathematician Carl Friedrich Gauss when he was just a young student. Let's say he add all numbers from 1 to 100. In the first moment, he wrote the answer 5050. Here's what he did. First, he noticed a pattern by writing the numbers forward and backward. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ellipsis plus 98 plus 99 plus 100. Then he write it backward. Let's say we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ellipsis plus 98 plus 99 and 100. So he add all this. So we have 101 plus 99 plus 2, we have 101 plus 98 plus 3, 101 plus ellipsis. Then we have 98 plus 3, 101, 98 plus 2, we have 101 and plus 101. Each pair adds up to 101 and there are 100 numbers. Okay, we have the last number, we have the 100. So we have the total 50 times 101 is equal to 5050, and that's the sum. From this method, we can build a general formula for any number n. Let's say we have the s plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ellipsis plus n is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2 or divided by 2. So how it turns to that? We have the goal. First, to find the formula for 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ellipsis plus n. Let's write the sum of the first n or natural numbers as s is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ellipsis plus n minus 1 plus n. This is the sum we want to compute. Now let's write the same in reverse order. We have sum of n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus ellipsis plus 2 plus 1. Add both version of the sum term by term. So we have s is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ellipsis plus n minus 1 plus n. This is the first one. And add to the reverse order. So we have s, just copy and arrange it, plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus ellipsis plus 2 plus 1. So we have s plus s, we have 2s, and 1 plus n, we have 1 plus n. And here we have 2 plus n minus 1, we have 2 plus n minus 1. And we have the 3 plus n minus 2, we have 3 plus n minus 2 plus here after the ellipses and plus n minus 1 plus 2 we have n plus 1 here n plus 1. We have noticed that each pair adds up to n, each pair adds up to n plus 1. There are n terms, so there are n pairs of n plus 1. So 2s is equal to n times n plus 1. Just divide both sides. We have here the 2s is equal to n times n plus 1. So just divide both sides by 2. We have to cancel this one. 2 divided 2, we have s. And copy this one because we cannot divide it over 2. So this is the formula. So we have general formula. We have the general formula. For the sum of the first 10 natural numbers, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ellipsis plus n is equal to n times n plus 1 divided by 2. General formula. Let's try with if n is equal to 10. So simply we use the formula s equal to n plus 1 over 2. And just distribute the value of n. So we have the 10. So we have n is equal to 10, then another n, 10 plus 1 divided by 2. So we have 10, just multiply just do the parentheses. We have times 11 over 2. We have 10 times 11, then 110 divided by 2, and divide 110 to 2, we have 55. So if we add n and find the n of 10, we have the answer is 55. That's all. We have to add n is equal to 10. We have 55. That's all. Simple. So let's have another example. Find n if n is equal to 15. So use the formula. We have sum of n plus 1 divided by 2. Just simply distribute the value of n. We have the 15. So we have here 15. 15 plus 1 divide 2. Then by the rule of the BODMAS or PEMDAS, first to solve is the parenthesis. So we have 15 times 16. So 15 plus 1, we have 16 divided by 2. And multiply 15 times 16. Then I use the calculator. So just click 15 times 16. So we have 240. 240 divide 2. Don't forget the 2. So we have here 240. Just simply press the divide by 2. So we have 120. So if we're going to find the n to 15, we have the answer of 120. Good.